Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie, and today we're going to be doing an in-depth chat and flip through of this 200 sight word workbook for first grade, ages 6 through 7, and it is magical and underwater themed, featuring mermaids throughout this workbook. This workbook can be found on a variety of websites ranging from $8 to $10, and the reason why I prefer workbooks and notebooks is because it keeps the paper clutter at bay and allows me to focus on homeschool instead of the mess. So I hope this flip through will be helpful in picking your child's curriculum for the upcoming school year to ensure their success in reading and in language arts. The benefits of using a workbook like this along with your curriculum, that it is fun, it is engaging and interactive. My daughter really loves doing this book each and every day. It gets her excited to complete her activities, and they have a wide variety and diverse amount of activities within each workbook. It starts off with just copy work, then goes on to reading and writing sentences, coloring, which all kids love a good color me page, and it just really helps them grasp, understand what they're learning and memorizing in a different variety of ways throughout this workbook. So for a workbook that is under $10, this is a great way to do it, especially on those days where the weather may not be ideal and you may not want to complete homeschool. We love bringing out the workbooks and activity books to complete these activities so that we know that our kids are still learning in just another way than we typically would on any given day. Thank you for joining me, and on this channel I like to share videos on lifestyle, homeschooling, and travel, and it would mean so much to me if you would like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.